My name is Jess from jesshuff.com, and this is part 7 of my Sage the Sheep crochet along. In this video, we'll be making the tail. You can find a link to the full written pattern and everything you need to know about this crochet along in the video description below. Let's get started. With white yarn, we will create a chain 5 start. Start by creating a slip knot on your hook. Chain 5, increase in the second chain from your hook. Single crochet 2, 1, 2, then make 5 single crochets in the last chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet 2, 1, 2, then make 3 single crochets in the last chain. 1, 2, 3. Careful not to cover that first stitch of the round when making those last 3 single crochets. Insert your stitch marker. At the end of the round, you should have 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and our stitch marker makes 14. For round 2, we will increase, single crochet 4, increase in the next 3 stitches, increase, that's 1, increase, that's 2, increase, that's 3, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase in the next stitch, then increase in the final stitch of the round. Replace your stitch marker. At the end of the round, you should have 20 stitches. For round 3, we will single crochet in each stitch around. Replace your stitch marker. At the end of the round, you should have 20 stitches. For round 4, we will single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of the round, you should have 20 stitches. For round 5, we will single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of the round, you should have 20 stitches. For round 6, we will single crochet, decrease, then we're going to repeat a sequence a total of 4 times. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, then decrease. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, then single crochet in the last stitch of the round. At the end of the round, you should have 15 stitches. For round 7, we will alternate between a single crochet and a decrease 5 times. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, then one more time, single crochet, and decrease in the last 2 stitches of the round. At the end of the round, you should have 10 stitches. Round 8 is the final round of the tail. Single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of the round, you should have 10 stitches. Cut your working yarn, leaving a tail of about 18 inches. Pull on your working loop until the tail comes free. Then we're going to lightly stuff the tail. So as you can see, there's just a little stuffing in there to give it some shape, but it still lays pretty flat. Then we're going to fold the top opening in half and slip stitch it closed. So insert your hook through the first stitch of the round and the last stitch of the round. Yarn over and pull through a loop. Insert your hook through the next 2 stitches. Slip stitch. And you're going to do this all the way across. Whoops. Then pull on your loop until the yarn tail comes free. Now your tail is ready to sew on at a later step. Now that you've finished the tail, you can proceed to the next video and we'll assemble all the finished pieces together. Before you go, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's go do that assembly.